front-facing camera. What a wide view, and a pixel definitely better for vlogging. Have more in the frame. Look at the sky. Look at the exposure. Look at that. See the difference? You see, Chinese smartphones have dynamic exposure and wants to brighten up your face. If you're out of the frame, it will compensate. Because Pixels, Samsungs and iPhones are fixed exposure, and that's something in the middle between bright and dark. Which one would you prefer, dynamic or fixed? Again, 4K 60 both of them. Do we have autofocus in front-facing camera? Yes, we do in Vivo. See how brighter that is and how much details we do have when it's dynamic and with autofocus. Wide-angle lens in 4K 60 and pixel is definitely a bit. Is it? Yes, it is a bit wider, just a bit, couple of percent. Video stabilization in 4K 60 wide angle. A little bit of colors for you. Alright. Nice. Vlogging style, if you want to vlog from those smartphones, this is how it's going to look like. Alright. Switching to the main lens. And there you go. Stop. Alright. Vlogging style again. Look at the bokeh effect. Take those earphones out. Bokeh. Really nice. Going back to the wide angle. The question is, do we have autofocus in the wide angle lens? Yes, we do in both of them. So, I will need a bigger leaf. How close can we get? Close. But I think with Vivo you can get a bit closer. Oh yeah, a bit. Yeah, definitely. Just a bit. And telephoto. We can do 3.7x and 5x. Alright, where's the satellite? There it is, satellite dish. I'm doing 10x, 10, and 10 with a Vivo. Do we see the difference? Exactly. Maybe a vehicle will be nice. Can we read the license plate? Should we go further? All the way to 20x and 20x on the Vivo. Do we see the difference? That is the difference. On the balcony, that is a significant difference. We find in a closer subject, like a van. Oh, the van is cool. See the difference? The sharpness of the image. That is a huge difference. Let's go back. And going back. the end, I love the front-facing camera in the Pixel and telephoto in the Vivo. What do you think? Let me know in a comment below. See you next video. Bye.